Once you have all of your windows installed, next comes the glass. For that, we're going to go to the back side of the wall. The kit comes with several panes of this clear acetate. One thing you'll notice is there is a adhesive cling film on this to help protect it in transit. You're going to want to peel that off so you have a nice clear glass. If you leave that on there, you'll just get a little bit of a frosted look. These panes are big enough that you can cover all the windows on one side of the wall at a time. If you want to be more frugal, you can cut this down and save some material. But for now, we're just going to leave them all together because we have plenty of material for this kit. And I'm going to use my clear plastic cement for this. I'm just going to do a little bead around each window. Not being too careful of getting too close because we don't want, even though it will dry clear, we don't want it too close to the windows. And I'll put a bead up the center just to help hold everything. And we place that on there, and we're good to go. Flipping this over, you'll see I've already gone ahead and installed a lot of the shutters on our kit here as well. These are very easy to do. You just simply cut these off of the sprue. And with a little bit of our plastic cement, we'll glue them in place on the wall. Like so. At this point, we're ready to start assembling the walls themselves, but I'm going to show you one quick trick here if you want to add a little easy detail that won't cost you a penny to your windows to make them look better. And that is we're going to add some very simple curtains into these.